fields and rivers in your warm embrace. Through the pain and through the years, I still hear your voice so strong, so clear. Whispers in the wind, temples standing tall. Your spirit shines, your eyes above it all. Cambodia, I hear you calling. Through the silence, through the rain falling. From every heart, every mountain high, you live in me and you never die. Cambodia, oh my land so true. I carry your dreams in all I do. In the songs of children running free, in the hands that build our destiny. From anchor stone to toneless flow, your soul is deep and I always know